tired of catching small fish, tired of losing your streak, or tired of not getting much money as you want, you should save up for a steady rod. Steady rod is good for catching, but a slow catching. But this you can catch bigger fish like grand reef, or maybe a bigger fish like that. I recommend this for a newbie. It have lure speed -60% and you can catch lower, but it's okay. And block is 35, control is 0.05, silence is 30%, and max kg it's a 100,000 kg. You can catch maybe Asian peg or something like that, but I recommend using Arctic rod. Arctic rod has lure speed 45%, lux is 65%, and control is 0.18%, and resilience 50%, and max kg is 80,000 kg. You can catch big or something. This rod is good for grinding biggest fish and grinding money. And you can even catch a bigger fish as you want, but it have a max limit of 80,000 kg. You can buy this for saving up 25,000 Cs to buy this. This is cheap, and you never imagine how you will get this. You can get this in Expedition, and it's really cheap. Yeah. The next rod I will recommend is maybe crystallized rod. Crystallized rod is lure speed 35%, lock is 45%, control is 0.50%, and resilience is 50%, and max kg is 25%. It have a good trade. You can catch luminous rod with bright glow and crystal-like effects. You can catch later when you search. You can catch this. This is a crystallized fish, and it's very big. Yeah. You can grind money, but you cannot catch bigger fish like Asian meg. You need enchant the Hermelum for 25,000 kg. But this rod is good for XPs and catching small fish, but a good small fish like captain goldfish. Look, I have so many of that because of this rod, but I didn't catch something. If you bought this, maybe you can buy a Trident. Trident has good and quality. Lure speed is 20%, lock is 15%, 150%, control is 0, resilience 0, and 60 kg. This is good for money, but I recommend just buy a Brado RTD. This is so expensive, but this is worth it. It have 65%, lock is 130%, control is 0.15, and lock resilience is 10, and kg is 30 kg. This rod is for only money and only for XP. If you get enough 2 million above, you can buy Heaven's Rod. Currently, Heaven's Rod is the best rod on the game right now because it has lure speed 30%, lock 225%, control 0.2 or 0.20, resilience 30%, max kg is infinite kg. So this rod is good enchant for like hasty and a good quality. And after this, if you don't have enough money for this, maybe just buy Rod of Exalted One. Rod of Exalted One is only free, but you need relics for this, and this is so expensive to the relics. But if you want this, it have stats of lure speed 55%, luck is 170%, control is 0.15%, and resilience 20%. But the max KG is 75,000%, and it's good for XP because it's good for money too. And maybe my video helped for you. And peace up, gamers. For this video is only for beginners and a pro player but don't know what rod to choose. And thank you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, guys. And peace out.
メルってよく像作ってもらっているよね。
一番の理由は君が未来で一人ぼっちにならないようにするためかな。
何それ？
僕たちは君と違って長く生きるわけじゃないから。おとぎ話じゃない。僕たちは確かに実在したんだ。
Skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air. So let